Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 30th to July the 6th. And there's lots of fantastic new deals in this flyer. I think this must be a new month or something because there's a bunch of new deals that I'm seeing and I am pretty excited. First thing I'd like to address is that on Wednesday I got this booster, and I know that for a lot of us last week we kept looking and looking and there was nothing. 7 back when you spend 35. I got this both on my card and my husband's. Load it, and we are going to be starting to use it next week. Now, yesterday I made a video. There was some news that dropped on Thursday about Walgreens. They're going to be doing some serious restructuring that includes the closure of roughly 25% of their stores, which is about 2,000 in the next coming 3 years. This isn't immediate. It's going to be happening over the next couple of years. So definitely watch this video, and I really recommend, if you're on any of the news apps, to look up this story and read about it. Lots of very pertinent information for all the loyal Walgreens shoppers, and I will link this video at the very end. I just kind of give a quick little summary of what I read on Thursday. And this is really sad news, especially for the employees. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, June the 30th. On Thursday, the 4th will be celebrated. Perhaps your Walgreens might have some limited hours, or the pharmacy might be closed. You might want to double, triple check. And typically on the 5th, that's going to be Friday, most of the fun, patriotic 4th of July stuff will be 50% off. So if you wanted to stock up on it, next Friday would be the date. You might want to check your IBOTTA account. We have a $2 back on these 6 counts of these Scott's paper towels, and they're about $5.49 right now. A $2 rebate, like, hi, that makes it a really good deal. This one isn't going to last, along with a lot of Tyson buy one get one free, like, rebates. I mean, this is fantastic. I think with the 4th of July just around the corner, a lot of these manufacturers are really trying to say, hey, get your paper towel and the things to have on the 4th over at Walgreens. For example, that Scott deal, one of those 6 counts right now is $5.49. You would pay that or roll a bit of Walgreens cash and then photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA, making it $3.49 for a 6-pack of paper towels. That's fantastic. The limit for this is up to 3. I'm not sure how long these rebates are going to be there, but load them right now. Hopefully they last throughout the weekend, but that is absolutely fantastic. The first little offer of the week that we're going to look at in the flyer is with the Garnier and the whole blends. They are 2 for $8. $3 reward when you spend 10. That is the devil in the details right there. What we're going to do is grab 4 of these shampoos, 2 of the whole blends, and 2 of the fructises for $16. We have a $3 coupon off of each pair, so that's $6 off. Pay $10, get back a $3 register reward. It makes it $7 for the 4, or $1.75 per shampoo or whole blends, conditioner, whatever it might be. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Dove for $7. A $3 reward when you buy 2, and a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes for $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2, or $3 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I haven't seen a Dove deal in a couple of months, so if you needed to stock up, especially for all the ladies or gents that love the sensitive one, I mean, this is not a bad price point. Also, in the same family, we have the deodorants, 2 for $14, $2 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So I'm not going to yell about that one. Grabbing 2 of the Dove dry sprays, that's $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $8 for the 2, or $4 per dry spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I did check my Fetch Rewards account. Unfortunately, all of my Dove rebates are with CVS and not Walgreens. I'm pretty sure they see that I don't ever shop at CVS. That's why they're all valid over there. So no rebates for me, but maybe your Fetch Rewards account might be something a little bit different. And now we're looking at the $3 Crest and Oral-B products, $3 reward when you buy two, and I'm thinking both items might have a $2 digital coupon. Grabbing one of each, an Oral-B and a Crest, that would be $6. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $2. Get back a $3 register reward, making this a nice little freebie. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And for the digital coupons, it might be $1, $2, and then $1, making it a freebie. So we'll have to wait and see on Sunday what's provided. Another great deal that we have is the $4.50 Colgate dental care, $4 reward when you buy two, and a $2 digital coupon. So I'm assuming it's probably a brush and a paste, grabbing one of each. That will be $9. Subtracting the two $2 digitals, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for two or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Angel Soft toilet paper at $6.99, and these are the 9 rollers, so they are the larger ones. And Quilted Northern's also part of it too, if that's your thing. Grabbing two of those, it'll be $13.98. Subtracting the $1 digital, you'll pay $12.98 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.98 for the two or $4.99 per pack. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're a really big fan of the Quilted Northern, this is not a bad little price point, and I definitely would use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Really love a good stationery deal. Now, a lot of the Bic and Papermate products are 2 for $5. And spend $20, earn a $5 store register reward. Grabbing 8 of these packs of pens, that's $20. Pay with your debit card because the word in there is to spend $20 to earn that $5. You don't want to mess with that. So it makes it like $15 for the 8 packs or $1.87 each. And again, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This definitely would be a fantastic product to throw in with the spend the booster this week of spend 35 to get back 7. Now this is very, 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 very interesting. 4 for $10 Dawn Gain Febreze Mr. Clean household products, 4 for $10, making it $2.50 each. If you think about it, we used to get Dawn dish soap, the smaller ones, for 74 cents. This is the first time I've really seen Dawn dish soap for $2.50. This is definitely, if you have like register rewards or some Walgreens cash to throw into this, I'm very sure all of the Dawn dish soap will be gone probably by midweek because $2.50 is an unheard of price, especially for those squeeze bottles. So this is one I'm definitely going to be grabbing. It's kind of like when they do the lower end P&G laundry care. Like this is very similar, but I haven't seen this one. And because we haven't had a really good Dawn dish soap deal, this is one I would stock up on earlier in the week. Okay, so let's get into the honorable mentions for this video. Buy one, get two for free on the Complete Home food storage bags. It makes it basically 93 cents per 20 pack of food storage bags. That is definitely a fantastic stock up price. We also have $1.99 for the Walgreens brand products, from napkins, disinfectant wipes, toilet paper, the 4 packs. Buy one, get two for free on Arm & Hammer. Obviously, the $1.99 week, it's a little bit better, but in a pinch, this isn't the worst. $5 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2 participating Always or Tampax products. That must be tested. I know a lot of us have that $5 store register reward from last week, so we'll have to see what happens with that. We have 2 for $2.50 on the Hershey's single candy bars, an excellent filler item. And we also have $7 Maui Moisture or OGX hair care with $6 coupon. Load the digital coupon. And 3 for $11.99 with the Canada Dry A&W with a digital coupon, making it 3 for $10.99 stock up price. And with the chips, 3 for $9, so $3 per bag for the Doritos. That's funny, from a couple weeks ago. Again, 3 for $9 for the Ruffles. So this is definitely the stock up price for the chips for your 4th of July parties. And $2.98 for the Nice Brand nuts, also another party staple. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.